Hey, look, it's a little bird.
Oh!
Ah! It's a bit noisy here. Yeah, there's a few more ducks. Coming back later. Okay. Safety reminders. Leave food and drinks outside of habitats. Avoid climbing on the rocks or sitting on the fence. Please give the birds space for their comfort and yours. Refrain from throwing coins into the pond. Come on, let's go. Hi, there's these little guys. They're really cute. Is there any other cute little birds? But still, that little bird is really cute. I'll show you some smaller birds. As I told you, I'm showing you smaller birdies. They are really cute. I see a smaller bird. It's pretty small. So cute. Okay. There's a little nest in there. And there's some other birds here. Pretty cute. They're so cute. There's some little birdies up here. Oh, it went away. This is a toucan. As you know, everyone should know this is a toucan. It's pretty easy to see that it's a toucan. So yeah, it's a toucan. Down here, there is this bird called a Vietnam pheasant. I don't know. And there's another one of those guys who look different. Oh, there's a feather. That's all for today. I don't think there will be a lot of views, so if you liked this video, please comment down below a green heart. Thanks, bye.